Has it ever happened to you that Telegram isn't working properly? Or that you heard about a new feature you still don't have? It's very likely that your app isn't updated. In this guide, you'll learn how to quickly and easily update Telegram on your iPhone and ensure the best user experience, bug-free and with all the latest features. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my new videos. So, to start things off, find and open your App Store app. Once you're in the App Store, the next step is to tap the magnifying glass icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Right after that, at the top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. Tap on it, type in Telegram, and start the search. When the app appears in the search results, find the official Telegram app and tap on it. That will take you to the app's page, where you can see more information like the description, user ratings, reviews, number of downloads, and screenshots showing what the app looks like in use. There, you'll see an update button. Tap it, and that will begin the updating process. Wait a few moments for the update to complete. Once the update button disappears and you see the open button, that means the app has been successfully updated. Tap Open to launch Telegram and continue using the latest version. And that's it for this short video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like it, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thanks so much for watching, and see you very soon.